Sermon number 12. When Allah gave him, Amir al-Mu'mineen, victory over the enemy, at the battle of Jamal, and one of his comrades said, on that occasion, I wish my brother had been present, and he too would have seen what success and victory Allah had given you. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Did your brother hold me friend? He said, yes. Then you said, in that case he was with us. Rather, in this army of ours even those persons were also present who are still in the loins of men and wombs of women. Shortly, time will bring them out and faith will get strength through them.